I will be gone from the August, like 14th or 15th to the like 24th, so like 10 days. Sorry. I'm not telling you guys what I'm doing. I'll tell you after. Yeah, it's a top secret investigation. I can't tell you guys. I'm gonna go to Disney World. Oh yeah, speaking of the editors, probably this week I'm gonna go through the rest of them. I have like a pool of so I got about over 500 submissions. Of course, some of those were like meme submissions. You know, people sending in whatever the heck. So I have a pool of about like I think a little over 50 to go through. So yeah, I have to go through them, and then hopefully that'll come out. Maybe what I'll do is I'll hire them like right before I'm about to go on vacation, and while I'm on vacation, or like a week before I'm gonna go on vacation, while I'm on vacation, then upload the videos for like previous streams, and do like edited videos per stream. So like, oh, this is the edited, I don't know what to call it, a clip, highlight compilation, highlights from, but I want it to be exciting, so I'll probably put like some clickbait in the title, you know, but not like too bad clickbait, just like, you know, something exciting, because if people see highlights, they're just like, you know, I gotta put something like, Ami eats a banana, and then it starts with the clip of me saying that I'm gonna eat a banana, and then it goes on to the other clips, you know what I mean? But then after it puts Ami eats a banana, then put like a line, and then put highlights for blah 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 stream. Ooh, my gamer skills, yeah. Yeah, I did alright, I think, right? Right, guys. Say yes! Say it. Yeah. Yeah, I did great. You are being hypnotized. You love Amelia Watson. You want to spend your whole day watching Amelia Watson. You go to sleep and you dream of Amelia Watson.